House apartment, 5,000 to 15,000 pesos monthly. 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, and 3 bedrooms. Located in Bacoor City, Cavite. Hello everyone! Yes, ito po yung 5,000 pesos monthly house apartment with 1 bedroom up and down. And ito naman po yung house apartment na 8,000 pesos monthly with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Mga vacant and ready for occupancy na house apartment sa Bacoor City, Cavite. Inside subdivision, good community, and flood-free location malapit sa highway. May malapit na school at market. Ito naman yung house apartment with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom with garage. 15,000 pesos monthly. Nakatiles na ang flooring at bagong pintura. May kasama ng split type na aircon. Pwedeng magtindahan, yes store, yes kids, yes pets allowed, and yes parking. At may sariling metro ng kuryente at tubig. Hello everyone! Yes ma'am, yes sir! Marami pa po tayong iba pang mga house apartment at marami pa ako sa inyong isi-share na mga details and information about sa mga vacant na bahay. Yes, para sa mga naghahanap ng house and apartment bago malilipat ang bahay. Ito po yung house apartment with 3 bedrooms, corner lot, 1 bathroom with garage with solar panel system. Yes, may solar panel po itong bahay. Nakatiles na rin ng flooring, bagong pintura, vacant and ready for occupancy, pwede nang malipatan kaagad, and anytime open for viewing. Ito naman yung house apartment with 1 bedroom na pwedeng magtindahan, malapit sa highway, malapit sa school at market. Ito naman yung house apartment na townhouse, 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Yes, store, yes, pwedeng magtindahan, yes kids, yes pets allowed. May provision na para sa window type na aircon, nakatiles na rin ang flooring, walking distance lang, malapit lang sa highway, sa school, at sa market. Maganda yung bahay at maganda rin ang location. Ito naman po yung townhouse na up and down. Yes, 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom with garage. Katapat lang din to ng basketball court. Yes, pwede rin magtindahan. Yes kids, yes pets allowed. Very spacious na bahay. Maluwag ang mga kwarto, maluwag din ang kanyang sala. And yes, ito po yung mga house apartment with 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, yes, pwedeng magtindahan, with garage, mga bakanteng pinapaupahang bahay para sa mga naghahanap ng bagong malilipatang bahay. Para sa inyo po itong details and information na sinishare ko. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. At maraming salamat din sa pagbisita dito sa ating page, sa ating channel. Maraming salamat po. At sana nagustuhan nyo itong video na to. Yun lang po, salamat. Ulit, mga house apartment na 5,000 to 15,000 pesos monthly. Located in Bacoor City, Cavite. Marami pa po tayong iba pang mga house and apartment. I-upload ko na lang po yung mga video. Salamat.